i35equipment.com. This is the Skidsteer Grapple bucket. We are in Oklahoma, so it is extremely windy out here today, as is usual. Apologize for that. This is a 78-inch Skidsteer Grapple bucket, universal skidsteer mounting plate. Serrated edges on the upper and lower teeth. Pin on, replaceable teeth on the bottom there if you need them. Here's your attachment points. Welcome you to come look this over for yourself. However, it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a wonderful day, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Got plenty of other equipment if you're in the market. You can see our full and current inventory online, www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was beneficial to you, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.